How to buy TST token on Lbank. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount description. So as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token on Lbank, click on markets here as you can see. So after that, select after you find the Lbank, click on this pair link as you can see. So if you don't have an account on Lbank, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on Lbank and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on Lbank and fund it with some USDT, you will be able to buy this token. So what you need to do here, click on this buy option and select the limit of the market is the same. So if you select the limit, type here how much you want to buy of the token. So here you will be able, as you can see, how much you will be able to pay of that USDT you have in your account in order to buy this token. So after that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So if you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy and we'll be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy TST token on Lbank. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.